The dog days of summer are upon us, and we've got all 4 paws covered with Chip's tips and Dale's don'ts so you and your furry friends can stay safe this season.
If you're going to be doing any longer hiking and walking, then the booties are going to be the best option for you.
Though these little booties are super adorable, unfortunately it's not the best option for Chip, since he walks all goofy in them. And that's why Chip's tip of the week is to either walk earlier in the mornings or later in the afternoons or evenings. That way it's cooler on their paws.
Dale's don't of the week: don't walk on the concrete or the asphalt when it is high noon in the summer. Instead, opt for something cooler like the grass.
That's Chip's tip and Dale's don't of the week. If you want your dog featured on WeatherNation for the dog days this summer, send in your videos to our social media.